In the solar panel recycling industry, efficiency and automation are essential. Today, we introduce our automatic solar panel dismantling machine. Removing the aluminum frame and junction box is the first step in solar panel recycling. This machine is mainly designed to complete this process quickly and safely. The entire process is fully automatic. The operator only needs to place the panel onto the machine. Once the process starts, the machine detects the position of the frame and begins dismantling it with precision. The aluminum frame is removed without damaging the panel, making it easier for further recycling. At the same time, the junction box is separated efficiently, reducing the need for manual labor. With its automated system, productivity is greatly improved, and operating costs are reduced. This machine is ideal for recycling companies, e-waste processing plants, and material recovery projects. Its compact design helps save space, and its simple operation makes it easy to use, even for new operators. With our solution, you can optimize your recycling process and maximize the value of recovered materials. If you are looking for an efficient and reliable solution, this machine is the perfect choice for your business. Contact us for more information.